guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi to each and every one of you guys watching. What's up, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, what's up, my name is Diana and welcome to my channel. Go ahead and subscribe, and yeah, subscribe if you have not yet been subscribed. And for my old subscribers, what's up guys? You already know the deal. Today we're gonna be doing this makeup look, guys, for all of you, all my viewers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for all the people that are supporting me and are just here for me, you know, like that means a lot to me. Thank you guys so much. And of course I love the feedback, everybody on the comments. I fucking love it. It just makes me really happy. Thank you guys so much, seriously, for, you know, following me, subscribing, and all that good stuff. And just want to show you guys my techniques, my tips of makeup. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this tutorial. Basically I did use the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is more of a subtle look. It's not as bright as fuck. I did have to add a little bit of brightness down there, girl, because you already know I be like wanting to look like a clown all the time, all the fucking time. I mean, you know, I like bright ass colors. I like bright colors, neutral colors, warm colors, cool tones. I love all kinds of shit. I feel like makeup for me is art, and I like to explore it in my motherfucking face, because where else? On paper I can't. I suck. So I rather do it here, and this is just something that I like doing, you know, guys. So if you guys are trying to do a YouTube channel, if you guys are trying to, you know, do makeup videos, and you know, just go ahead and do it, guys. Don't give a fuck. That was me before. I used to be one of those persons that cared about what people think. I was so embarrassed, like, oh my god, you know, esta pendeja, you know, ¿qué está haciendo ahí nomás en la cámara, nomás viendo, hablando con el teléfono, verdad? No, it's like, bitch, this is what I like doing. I like doing this. So why let someone tell you you can't? No, you can do whatever you want. And if you are trying to do a channel, if you're trying to do a YouTube channel and do makeup videos, any other videos, you could do crafting videos, you could do yourself videos, cleaning videos, you do anything you want, girl, and you can post it in here and you'll get your followers, you know what I mean? Of course, people that will support you, thank you guys so much for supporting me. Like I said earlier, that means a lot to me, and it's just, it warms up my heart. Thank you guys so much. Seriously, straight up talking from down here. Thank you. So yeah, today this is the look I'm gonna be doing. It's not super but dramatic, super colorful, super overdone. I feel like the lashes did give it a little oomph, because the lashes are big as fuck and they're like super dramatic-y, but that just, I love the way the lashes look. Now, for a lot of people out there that ask me about my lashes, a lot of the times a lot of girls place their lashes like, okay, let's say the band's like this, they place the lashes like that. I don't like doing that. I like placing my lashes like that. So you apply like that, so your eyes, you know, the eyelash can stand out more. A lot of people don't know how to use lashes. Just try it out, guys. You could try out with any, like, sorry, I had I feel like a little moquito, sorry. You could try out with like drugstore eyelashes, and then start off with other eyelashes. You could also get eyelashes on eBay, AliExpress. You could get eyelashes from everywhere. There's a lot of people selling eyelashes also on Instagram. Check out your beauty supply stores, guys. They have like $2 lashes. Try it with those. I'm not gonna sit here and say those lashes are not good, because some aren't. Some are fucking bomb. They be like $2. Don't play. That's how I started. I started with my $2 lashes. Don't play my dollar lashes, and mine used to be bomb. So start off with your little dollar lashes, $2 lashes to practice, and you'll get the hang of it, guys. And a lot of people feel like, how can I say? A lot of people don't like wearing them because they feel like, oh bitch, where you going? You gonna fly somewhere? Oh yeah, bitch, I am. As a matter of fact, you wanna come with me? Because I'll take you with me. So a lot of people used to tell me that before, and now I see the people that used to tell me that wear them. Funny, right? Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy how time goes by. And the people that used to tell me, girl, you have big ass lashes, you this, you know, damn, where you going? Vas a volar. But yet they're wearing them now, and it's just a trend. It's bomb. Your makeup looks bomb as fuck with lashes. It's just, it does. For the eyelash glue, I do like using this one. This is one of my favorite ones. it's waterproof. It keeps my shit in place. I bought this one, but not a good one of that. This is a really good glue if you are looking for an eyelash glue. I recommend that one a lot. So when you wear eyelashes, guys, I know this is like off subject, but when you wear eyelashes, make sure your eyelashes are the same size of your eyelid. If not, chop them off from the outer part, not the inner corner, the outer part of your eyelash, okay? If you guys have more questions, let me know down below. I'm gonna stop talking because I know it's too much talking, too much. Anyway, so today, this is the look I did today. I did use the Jaclyn Hill palette, volume 2 palette. I did say I was gonna do more videos with this palette, so yeah. Basically, I will show you guys in the video what shadows I used. And basically I used like only, I will say like a few, not a lot, but I got this really pretty nice glam, and with lashes everything looks bomb, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start the video now so you guys can see the tutorial, and I'll see you guys. Alright, so this eyeshadow little thing I got going on right here is the easiest shit you could ever do. It's basically more of blending and blending your colors. So we are going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is more for the people out there that don't like that super fucking colorful look. I am a fan of colorful looks. this is small as fuck. This one's from ColourPop, but I use this just to make my eyes pop out. So if you have like brown eyes, you have like hazel eyes, you could use this and it'll make your eyes pop out. And you have them honey, brown, Alright, so basically we are done with the eyes. We're gonna go in and put some setting spray. This is the Beauty Creation Flawless Setting Spray. I fucking love this shit. I'm just gonna apply it all over our face, like so. And nice and pretty. We're gonna let that dry, and now we're gonna grab a lippy. To this lippy, we're gonna And basically that's it, guys. This is the end result for the makeup look. I hope you guys did enjoy this look. I did. I freaking love it. I love how everything came out, and you see how like this eyeshadow look made it super pop off with the eyelashes. You just get some bomb ass eyelashes. There's a lot of drugstore eyelashes out there. These are just my brand. I love these lashes. I don't have them in retail anymore, but I did have them before. I stopped selling them, but these are my lash brand. Yeah, and they are my favorite lashes. So my eyes stand out like this. So I will see you guys in my next video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys.